Dear customers, this is Bow Brakes, your reliable partner in the brake pads field. Let me quickly introduce our top-tier brake pad production line. We offer 3 types of brake pads: ceramic, low metallic, and semi-metallic. Our ceramic brake pads, made with advanced technology, offer great braking performance. They generate less heat, reduce brake disc wear, and produce little dust, keeping your wheels clean. The low metallic brake pads, with a well-crafted low metal formula, ensure efficient braking and enhanced durability. They are eco-friendly and quiet, providing a comfortable driving experience. Semi-metallic brake pads combine metals and other materials, delivering powerful braking force. They're stable and suitable for various road conditions, ensuring your safety. Our production line has over 1,500 molds, allowing us to make brake pads for most vehicle models globally, from compact cars to large trucks. Our brake pads meet OE quality standards. Every step, from raw materials to inspection, is carefully controlled. They produce little dust, are quiet, and last long, saving you replacement costs. Despite their high-end features, our brake pads are reasonably priced. That's why they're loved by customers worldwide. Choose Bull Brakes for a safe, efficient, and reliable braking solution. We can't wait to work with you